At the state level Constitution Day celebration at Chintan Bhavan in Gangtok on Thursday, Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang stressed on the need for safeguarding Article 371F of the Constitution. Our government is attaching the utmost priority on safeguarding Article 371F and will not allow any degradation of Article 371F, he said. We should be proud that the Constitution has given us rights, but I also want to say we should also do our duties properly as we enjoy our rights. Today, on the occasion, I'd like to salute our armies who are guarding our borders. We are sleeping peacefully because they are guarding our borders. While comparing his government with earlier government, the chief minister said, the environment which was there in the earlier government is not there today in our government. Now there is no need to fear, we have brought a democratic culture. He said the COVID-19 pandemic is still not over. Sikkim had more than 5,000 cases but 4,500 have been treated successfully. Patients with mild symptoms did not need hospitalization anymore. But we should not be careless till a vaccine is found. The focus of Sikkim government was now on education, he said. The previous government had left many of the projects in between rather messy starts, but we will channelize. For instance, NIT was provided to Sikkim 10 years ago, but the previous government failed to provide land for NIT. But now we have provided the land as we had promised before the election. We have provided 100 acres in Khamdang. Rupees 10 crore have been paid out of a total of Rupees 27 crore. Soon construction will start. The state university had been built without proper planning. Now we have given land for the campus, and if all goes well, then within 2 years the campus will be ready. There will be total 80 seats in Sikkim Manipal University, out of which 50 would be free scholarship and 30 seats would be on full payment seats. Part-time instructors, a total of 150 teachers under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, presently getting Rupees 7,000 would now get Rupees 15,000. Gole handed over the Android smart TVs to students along with Airtel Dish. As many as 37,000 TVs will be distributed in days to come.